Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily updates for natural gas and crude oil. In this analysis, with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we'll try to find out the trading behavior of these two instruments throughout the day. What could be a possible trading behavior and what could be trading range and where to enter, where to exit. Everything I am gonna tell you. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Let's start the day with NG first. So this is the 2 hour charts on NG. You can find that how beautifully these three candles and these three candles reflect the behavior of NG here. But lower highs and the resistance here at 7.95. Anyways, anytime on the day throughout this week, if you see it trading above $8, there is no point leaving your shorts open. You can go long from $8 levels. That is very clear. I told you very clearly in my weekly analysis as well. At the same time, one can go long today above 7.95. That is also clear. Now look at this last two candles and you can find double top, higher lows, and probably I will be watchful of now 7.85 levels, and below 7.85 there could be a drop which will try to take it towards 7.75 and below levels. This is just on 2 hour charts. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is near to overbought. MACD is trading almost running hand in hand. Its RSI is also trading flat. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts, similarly, see there is a critical and strong support zone at 7.7 and 7.75 levels for NG. It has to break past this zone for any bearish move. At the same time, one can see lower highs are being seen, but the day is just started. The candle is also this candle is going to end here, but probably I'll be watchful and I'll be cautious till the time it trades below 7.95 and 7.85 zone. I'll not recommend you to take any position in between these levels. Below 7.85, yes, there is a support at 7.8, then 7.5 and 7.7 levels will come into picture. 7.75 and 7.7 level will come into picture, and below that we may see a sharper drop. On the upside, breaking 7.95, we can see a rise till 8, and beyond that it will fly. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is trading in a buy side, however running flat. RSI is also running flat and is still in a comfortable zone, and the slope is not much bullish there. Look at the 4 hour charts. Now on the 4 hour charts, see it is trying to consolidate with the upward momentum here, possibly looking forward to a breakout. So very sideways movement, but trading in this channel only. Where are the channel lows? You can clearly see that the channel lows are here at almost $7.6 levels. At the same time, the channel highs are at around $8.1 levels. So in between 7.6 and 8.1, it can try to trade for a little while before it looks forward to a direction. But look at this. This is one probability. See, it has seen stronger moves on the downside, and that is why we can see an upward consolidation. So yes, any move below 7.5, that is very clear indication that it is going to drop sharply, and that is what makes me refrain of taking a position here. And for the day it appears very clear. I'll just conclude it once. Let's finish this completely. Directional movement on the 4 hour charts is bullish. It is crossed over. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is still in green, and RSI is also still in a comfortable zone here. Now coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe, see the previous candles. It is trading in this channel here as it is observed on the 4 hour charts too. Now one probability that it breaks through this zone at 7.75. Once it breaks through this zone at 7.75 and 7.7, then only I will consider this, that it is going to break towards 7.5 levels. 7.5 levels definitely will provide a very strong support for NG. Till the time it trades above 7.85, one should not go short for the day. And in fact, so what it appears, we have to take the advantage of the little moves available. Look at this on the daily charts. There is a gap here too. So probably one can go short once you see it trading below 7.85 today. Below 7.85, one can expect 7.8 to provide a support. 7.75, these levels should get achieved because it will also fill the gap. Even if it is bullish, it may try to fill this gap. Below 7.75, see, every $5.5 it is getting some support, 7.7, and below that we may see a good sharp till 7.6 and below levels. At the same time, on the upside, if you see it trading below beyond 7.95 here, you can go long. How high it can go? It can go till towards 8.1 levels, and beyond 8.12 it can try to fly more towards 8.2 and plus levels. So in sum, it appears do not trade between 7.85 and 7.95 levels today. Daily stochastic is upward, MACD is still bearish and it is trading in the sell side. So take your positions accordingly. 7.85, 7.95, do not trade. Above 7.95, every 5.7 above 7.95, $8 is a very strongest resistance zone, which it should, if it breaks, it will try to hit 8.1 in 8.12 levels. Beyond that, it will fly towards 8.2. So take your positions or a long entry at around 7.95 levels. Below 7.85, yes, you will get a resistance at every $0.5, $8 levels, 7.85, $7.8 levels is the first target, 7.75 is the next target, 7.7 is the third target, and below that 7.7 we may see it hitting towards $7.5 levels, and below 7.5 there is going to be a stronger break on the downside. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil here. See, US crude is again fallen shy of $110 level, and any point of time throughout this week, if you see it above 110, as I shared in my weekly analysis also, beyond 110 one can remain long. Yes, there is a little support at 107.5, and if it breaks past this, we may see this zone coming towards 106 to 107. These levels are very important for crude oil. If it breaks past this, we may see a sharper drop. See, the directional movement is trying to converge for a bearish crossover. Our stochastic looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. MACD trying to converge here. It was trading in green. It is trying to converge and crossover, and RSI also looking downwards from here. Look at the 3-hour charts. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, see, if you look at the channel available, it is trading in this bullish channel, and the downside support here at 107 levels should be very critical for crude oil. If it breaks past this, then one can expect that it is going to come back till towards 106, 105 levels, and below that also it can break strongly. Look at the 3-hour stock directional movement trying to converge for a bearish crossover. It was overbought on the 3-hour charts, and that is what we can see a drop here. And also the MACD trying to converge and crossover. RSI also was overbought, near to overbought, looking downwards from here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similar is the story, but how far this can come. Now look at this. It is still be considered bullish till the time it trades above 107.5 levels. Only once it breaks past 107.5, one can expect that we may see 106 and 105 levels, which are going to be a very strong support. It has got stronger support zones between 105 and 104, as I have always maintained. Look at the directional movement trying to converge, crossover on a bearish note, and stochastic looking downwards on the 4-hour charts. We may observe a couple of red candles. Also look at the MACD trying to converge and crossover, and RSI looking downwards from here. And if you look at the daily charts, see, on the daily charts, you will find that this channel is important for crude oil. Also look at this, the bullishness here is diminishing, and yes, it should be considered bullish if it tries to break past this zone at 110. Definitely, as I have shared in my weekly analysis also, 110 levels are something which we should watch out for on crude oil. Now look at this here, 110 has previously showed a strong resistance, then a drop, now a retracement on the daily charts again towards 110. Double top is created on the daily charts, probably from here. If it breaks past this zone at 107.5 and 107, these two levels I'll be watchful of. 107.5 you can go short for 107, and below that you can expect that it is going to drop towards 106, 105 and 104 levels. On the daily charts, 104 is a very strong support, 20 period moving average coming here, and then 103 here, the 50 period moving average coming together here. So these levels are important and critical for crude oil. It is in green, the directional movement is bullish here. that has crossed over recently, and the stochastic is near to overbought. However, there is a lag also, it can try to reverse from these levels for a bullish move. Look at the stochastic has again crossed over. This is just second candle, and hence it can sustain a little on this side. Also RSI is looking downwards from here. Considering this, below 107.5 you can go short for 107, first target 106 and 105, and 104 is also very much possible. Every $1 there is a resistance there. Till 103 it has got supports at every $1. Beyond 103 I'll be looking forward to hit 101, 99.5 and 97 levels, but that will happen today or in some time, that we need to be watchful of. Only long entry is above 110, that is very much clear. Till the time it is below 110, I will not recommend you to go long. Beyond 110 one can remain long for the week, for the remaining week, and one can expect that it is going to hit towards 118, 120 levels again. So take your positions accordingly, go short below 107.5 and one can benefit till towards 106, 105 levels. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to share it across. Yes, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 6th of June and you can be part of this 15-day mentorship session. Strategies taught in this definitely will help you become a proficient and efficient trader. Also, you can be part of my VIP Signals group. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My email and telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.